Look at this gorgeous view from the Fox 5 tower camera right now. Midtown is just bathing in this golden sunlight as the sun's starting to break through those clouds, and then the only shot of rain is just far off to the east as that storm cell starts to break apart. 89 degrees is your current temperature, feeling like we're warmer than that 94 degrees because the humidity is bumping up those temperatures a few degrees. Now, we're still hot in Athens, we're still hot in Rome and LaGrange because you guys did not see any rainfall today, so we're in those lower 90s right now, and it's feeling even warmer than that. Look at these temperatures, feeling like 97 in Athens, 96 in Eatonton, 99 right now at 7:30 in LaGrange. Now here's a live look at our radar. You could see not too much coverage of these storms. These are very isolated now. Most of us are dry, and that's where we're feeling the heat. The only relief from these pockets of storms that just kind of percolated and drifted wherever they liked this afternoon. There's not too much organization to these. Now the heat and the humidity are going to stick around for the foreseeable future. Just a lot of Gulf moisture in here, making it feel warm, humid, moist. Those are the words that we've been using day after day because it's July, everybody, in hot Atlanta. We're going to cool things off tonight, and as the sun sets, we're going to see that intensity diminish in coverage. Now we'll repeat the same thing again tomorrow that we saw today with just a couple of isolated showers and storms, nothing severe, but we are going to watch into your Saturday as we see an approaching cold front start to make its way further to the southeast, and with this we'll have more energy for some storms into the afternoon. Most of us will get wet on your Saturday. It's not going to be a washout all day, but we are going to see that coverage bump up to about 40%. And like I said, with those storms, we do expect a slight chance of some severe weather. This is just a marginal risk for damaging winds up to 60 miles an hour on a 1 to 5 scale. But what we all are going to be watching, the big story, is this heat bringing new meaning to hot Atlanta. As we get through your Friday afternoon, we're going to feel like we're in the hundreds south of I-85 and the further south of I-20 that you get, feeling like 101 in LaGrange and Griffin at 100, feeling like Friday. Now Saturday, these heat index values will drop just a couple of degrees, and that's because we're going to see more cloud cover, more chances of rain, but we're still going to feel very hot, and we'll continue this well into next week. Now tonight we'll drop the temperature down to about 80 degrees by 11 p.m. Now overnight, we're going to see the temperature drop down to the mid 70s across the region, and then for your forecast into the weekend, we'll keep those rain chances up into the 30 to 40% range through your Sunday. We'll drop that off on Monday into your Thursday next week because we are going to see this settle into that typical July weather pattern with 20% chance of isolated storms, and we'll keep those 90s with high heat index values, making it feel like it's summer in hot Atlanta.